Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Amelia, Ohio? Introducing Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, your trusted partner in efficient waste management solutions. With professionalism and commitment to customer satisfaction, Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati ensures your projects run smoothly from start to finish. At Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, we understand the importance of timely service and quality equipment. Whether you're overseeing a residential renovation, managing a commercial construction site, or simply decluttering your home, we have the perfect dumpster rental solution for your needs. Our dedicated team is committed to exceeding your expectations. We pride ourselves on punctual delivery and pickup services, ensuring your project stays on schedule without unnecessary delays. Experience the difference with Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, where quality meets convenience. Visit our website at www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com Dumpster Rental Amelia OH or call us at 513-586-8313 to discover how we can streamline your waste management needs. Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati. Reliable, professional, your trusted choice for dumpster rental in Amelia, Ohio.